Windows Server 2016 configuration of roaming profile, disabling file type, and implements soft Quota. Firstly, we are looking at roaming profile. Firstly, we go to the local disk and create a share folder inside it. We call this folder as roaming. After we successfully create the new folders, we have to implement the share to a particular group in the organization. After we successfully create the share of these particular folders, we need to also know the directory of these share folders. So also we can remove other access to these folders. Here we successfully share these roaming folders in the domain under the tech group. Next step is going to the tool. Under tool, go to Active Directory, User and Computer. So there's all the user inside the domain. For implement roaming profile, so you select a user, go to their property. Inside their property, you go to profile. You have to define the path of the share folders. So here we copy the path of the share folder. We place it on the profile path, and after that you can implement a slash percentage and username, and followed by percentage. After you apply, you can see that the username has implement roaming. So you can use it by selecting multiple user and also go to their property, following the same procedure in profile. Under profile path, you have to declare the path of the share folder, followed by the slash percentage and username. After with percentage, after you apply, we can check that the profile has been roaming. And you click OK. Moving on, our next task is creating or disable file type. or file screening. So we have to install the file saver manager, and we go to manager at roaming feature. So we go with the default one, select the saver. In the role you have to, the feature you have to find, we go to manage the files saver resource manager is under file and storage service. After you have to install it. After successfully installing the file saver resource manager, after successfully installing, so you go to under the tool, there is a option file saver resource manager. Click on that. It takes you to a interface. So here you have the file streaming. We have three options: file group, file template, and file streaming. So in this case, we are creating a new template, or we can group a blocking file. So firstly, we have to create a template, give it a name. In this case, we give it as blocking rich text file. After that, we have to inside the file to include, we have to specify which extension file we need to block, followed by star RTF. If you can see, we are already successfully creating a template to block a rich text file. So furthermore, we implement a file streaming a particular file. So we have to specify the directory of that file. In this case is the text file under share. After we successfully the directory, we have to implement the template we create. In here we have a active and passive. So we choose the passive for user to able to save file. And also we have to implement, as in this case is to block a video and audio also with rich text file. We can select it in this option. You can see we already implement the file streaming on this particular file. In this case, it tells us if we want to use this template for a long time, but in this case, we only here for demonstration. So we select the other option. So we can see we finally successfully install or configure a file streaming on a photos or a file called text. The next implement is implementing of soft Quota. So here a template. So we have to create a template. We give a name for the template is file text share. Also we set a limitation to 500 megabytes of text inside the folders. Also we implement surf quota as not only to temporarily implement soft quota, not force or stop the user or deactivate the user from overusing these folders. So here's the all option we can implement, but for this demonstration we use the event log given a warning message. If you can see, we already for successfully create the template. We have to point the template to a file sharing. So we state the directory of the file sharing. Also in this case is the text file. So here we implement this. So we successfully implement the soft code in a folder or file called text file. And thank you for watching.